What's up guys, welcome back to part 2 of the video where you can see what I see.
Really good stone.
That's the thing.
Yeah, there's so many good stones for Huda.
Wild garlic's always new, innit? It's not smelled from that stone yet. It's a little fragrant, but it's not really there yet, is it?
But, you know,
So, I don't really know what to do in this video. It might be a part 3, but that'll take like 9 years to upload, but if I'm happy with where I end up in 20 minutes on this video, well, basically 19 now, I'll see where I am. If I'm at a good spot, I'll end it and I won't do a part 2. Guys, look at that cave. I don't know if you can see it.
Oh no!
But like, that's a bat cave there. Hey, we might see Batman if we go in there. So. Whew. Dad, can you carry the map?
you smell it, darling.
Yeah.
Stinks like poo around here.
Smell the garlic now. It's more prominent in this side.
Yeah, but I bet what in real months from our back garden you'll be really strong. Power it in, power it.
Going past people now, so I'll put the camera down. That's my dad. Oh gosh, more rocks. Whee. I'm now boiling.
Tiny little waterfalls down there. Tiny one.
Is that on the map?
Nah, they're not the top ones.
Oh. Is number 1 close?
Must be. I think 1, 2 and 3 are very close together.
Yeah, they are. It looks like this is a hot spot.
Yeah. Don't know want to do some photographs here.
Same.
Ah, look. Distance race.
Oh, that's number 3, I'm pretty. No, check what it looks like. Hey guys, we're on like a waterfall hunt here. I'm gonna get closer. Are we gonna get closer to that waterfall so I can show the viewers? Okay. Guys, do you see? Like, there's a bridge
Got 2 followers.
over there. It's not you.
I will be a follower soon though.
Subscriber, do you mean?
I'm going to be a subscriber to you.
I think it's.
I'll take it from you.
I think it's like my friend Jason and my mum.
Right.
Oh yeah, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video for more awesome content. So that over there we'll be going to over like there. Oi, photo bomber. Yes, I got the photo before you came in.
Are we going to keep?
Are we going?
Yeah.
It's just like open world. This is like Lego World's open world mode, but if that's a thing, but without Lego. Huh. Well, you know what I mean. It's like an open world.
Did you know what the rock is, Reece?
What?
Limestone interwoven with slate.
Is that like the only type of rock here?
In this area, I think so, yeah.
Like in the whole park or this area of the...
Well, it said for the waterfalls that we're coming to.
Is this one called like Crystal Palace or something?
Waterfalls.
Oh. Right guys, so the waterfall that we're really close to, that's called Pecker Falls. If you want to come here,
Get your dad to drive you.
I would say do it around like summertime-ish, because it's really nice in the summer here. I can just imagine it. So do it on like your summer term holiday,
Yeah,
which is basically all of summer.
And the set further around there's areas where you can swim in it, in the water.
Okay, guys, if you want to be a rebel and swim in the water, you can, and
See?
you won't get arrested. And you nearly just
Johnny, see now it's
fell
got
into
that
the
slate
bush.
behind it. See, we're gonna just waiting. No, it's just, no, this is just natural.
There's
It's
just
waiting at the moment.
trees.
We'll unpack.
It looks like that is them quarry.
So, yeah guys, I'm probably definitely gonna have to do a part 3 because I'm enjoying filming these videos. Yeah?
That's the perfect skimming stone.
Yes.
Slate is. If you ever want to skim slate, that's it. Can do
Guys, you heard it from my dad. If you didn't, well, you didn't.
Whoa.
Slate is the perfect skimming stone. And my laces are mucky.
Like these bastards, and see if you can get me some skim.
Nah, that's rubbish.
See how, because it's slate, it's really flat.
You want flat and thin for skimming. But medium-ish size, like that might do like a 2. That will do like nothing. Got 2 ammo. Oh, 1 ammo.
There's a big one. That's cool, that's a good one. Straight.
You guys saw it?
So, what time will it be for stones to skim?
That's like a rubbish angle. So that's my old iconic hat. I'll show you guys my old iconic hat. I never used to take it off. When I get back home, which will be around like 4 o'clock-ish UK time, and then the video might be uploaded like tomorrow. Or I might upload it on my TikTok. Guys, I've not posted in a while on my TikTok, but that's because I'm doing a lot of YouTube now. Go follow. Right, I can't remember it, but
You're going to jump off the bridge, Reece?
nah, I'm fine. I'm gonna
Go on.
probably show you guys it. This is the type of bridge. It's got like metal with wood, and it's so cool because you're above the water, and hopefully you're not gonna fall.
How deep do you reckon, Reece? Oh, it's well deep. But it's 15, 20 foot deep, you know.
That's like swimming right there. Oh guys, there it is. I think we'll get like really close to it.
How did you feel on bridge?
Excited.
Excited? Good.
Because my viewers can get a good shot. Now that shot's just rubbish. That's like, what's this?
Slate.
Slate.
Yeah, a lot of it round here is slate. But it was limestone earlier.
Yeah. Is limestone like that greyish, like matte greyish colour thing?
Yeah, but that colour.
But lighter.
Slate. You can see the slate.
Yeah.
You can see the lines. It's all in seams.
Yeah.
Is the slate. So it splits open, and that's what you use on roof tiles.
Yeah. Gosh.
Whoa. Whereas that stone down there that you can see with the orangey, that's your limestone.
That's limestone with the orange.
Pecker.
Right guys, we're going up to Pecker Falls.
Is also another term
For what a chicken
for a
does.
pinnacle.
Pecker Falls. Yeah guys, I'm having so much fun recording these. I'm probably going to record until my phone dies. Look at that.
Why don't you just film when we do each waterfall?
No Dad, I'm going to film like 20-minute videos, a bunch of them.
Fence tree. Do it there, look over the fence. That's it. Look at that. Well, I bet that pool's like 15, 20 foot deep at bottom. Well, nice.
Probably is. Guys, there's going to be a lot of parts to this, because I'm having so much fun. You don't have to watch them all. Guys, please, my dream is to get like a diamond play button ever since I was 2 and I found out about YouTube. I've been watching it ever since I was 2, so please can we try and get me there. So yeah, my goal right now is 5 subs and then 10 subs. 10 subs will be like, I will probably be like so thankful and probably like nearly die of shock, because when I first got YouTube 6 years ago, never uploaded anything, so I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna have no subscribers. But then I started uploading,
We'll have a rest at the top.
and then, by the way, thank you to, I'm pretty sure, who is Jason. Go sub to CJ Jockey on YouTube, by the way. I'm pretty sure he subscribed. So, or you can get like a right next to the fall here. Let's hope we don't fall. That's right, we're right next to the falls.
Get on there.
Shift then. Oh my goodness, guys.
Look, it's off there, they get top of that. Look at that.
Look at that, guys.
Like a pool at the top.
There. Focus. Right there. The camera ain't focusing. Sorry for this, guys. There's like a pool up there.
I'm going to keep walking, son.
We need a goal. Yeah? Ninja Turtle there. So, oh yes. Right guys, I'm gonna get high ground so that I have the height. So guys, I'm gonna go up these steep stairs. Look at that. Oh.
Yeah, get that Lisa. It's lovely, isn't it?
It's that stupid tree blocking the way. Can you guys see it through the trees? No. You're up there, but hey guys, I'm going to keep filming these. And sorry, but there might be a random uploads in the middle of these videos. I'm sorry. Look at that. Listen guys, I'm gonna walk from here and then I'm gonna show you where Fall comes. Look at that, that must be a good water spot.
Not rough then, yeah?
Hiya!
Things back there.
Are we good to go now?
There were 3 waterfalls, didn't there? So I don't know if
No, there's like 7.
Oh yeah,
there's
7,
8.
but I don't know if the 3 were close together, so I don't
Because
know.
that's 1, 2, 3.
Guys, this video is going to be like 25-ish minutes. Hello. So yeah, it's just I'm having so much fun recording these videos. I hope you guys, you don't have to watch them all, but if you could at least just watch one video fully through, that would mean the world to me. So yeah, you don't have to, but it will mean literally the world to me if you singed all my, if you at least skipped through them and liked them all.
Now.
You know, just John, seriously. We just get more time to do photographs then, you know?
So this video is going to be like 25 minutes, as I said.
Is it that one?
The bottom of the falls, isn't it?
I'm gonna, Dad,
That looks deep.
I'm gonna put this video.
Go on then.
Look at that. I'm going over this thing quick. Look at that. I'm going now.
But I thought you're not allowed.
Well, you can't down here. I read something about said the war.
We're getting closer to where it's like formed. I'm going to show my mum all these photos.
Right.
Stuff.
Get ready for the camera.
Yes, I will. That's a massive like chalk hill up there. I know it's blurry, but like over there,
This
it's like thing. That's where it comes from. Whoa. Alright guys, 6 minutes, this video is ending.
It's already selfie.
Oh.
We just.
Yeah, we'll press them up.
It's alright, let's take your time.
Again.
Get in, Reese.
I can't.
Just come right close to me.
Here, Reese, in here. Okay.
Go. Guys, 5 minutes, I'll end the video. And the reason this is going to be like 5 minutes longer than the other one, it's because we had a lot of hold-ups and they're going to be pretty boring. You're just sitting and watching me just stopping and waiting for peeps to go past. Finally a not wet rock where you can sit down.
Yeah.
Oh guys, 5 more minutes of adventures and then I'll do the next video. It's going to be my POV in the next video as well. If you guys don't want to watch all the videos, could you please just skip through all my videos and smash that like button on each and every single one of them. That would be greatly appreciated by me and probably just me. But don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I like how we just abandoned them. Me and my dad abandoned the pack of Ninja Turtle. Not cross fence. No barbecues. Street people. Guys, I'm in a massive queue right now for something, but now I said this video was going to be like 25 minutes. But, can I have an ice cream, please?
Yeah.
So, oh shoot, it's raining.
Is it?
Yeah. There's Kim with the yellow dot because it's blurry. But we're gonna go like around there. Next. Yes, please. I'm going to show you guys what my ice cream looks like and then I'm going to start a new video.
We didn't go this place, but I'm eating you. John, you gotta keep going, I'll get on the other. You just want coffee?
What do you want then? Sandwiches?
John, you're gonna have to come to let people past.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit down.
And then let me know what you want.
I'm probably going to get like a flake 99.
I'm gonna get a hot dog, yeah. John, do you want a hot dog? Do you want a hot dog or ice cream?
Ice cream, please. I'm going to go sit down.
Get a coffee next one, yeah?
Can I have my juice with the ice cream? Can I have my... Can I...
Juice, you've got some juice,
Yeah. Chop, can I have my juice?
Get it in here in my bag.
Okay.
Find it.
And take it.
Come on. Reaching.
Just give the backpack.
That would have saved me a lot of time.
Come on. I can't stand up, please.
This video is going to be really boring from now on.
Let me just. What do you want? Just the juice?
Yes, please.
I've got the Coke here, so I'll have the Coke.
Thanks. Right guys, I'm going to end this video here now. Don't forget to smash like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye.